In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. By the end, your Wix site and Mailchimp account will be connected so you can capture site visitors, organize contacts, and start automations without any manual exporting. Start by opening Mailchimp in a desktop browser and sign into your account. It's best to use a single browser window without private or incognito mode, and make sure any pop-up blockers are turned off, since you'll be redirected during the connection process. Once you're in Mailchimp, head to the integration section. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is the library of apps and services that can connect to your Mailchimp workspace. In the search bar there, type Wix. You should see the official Wix integration appear in the results. Click the Wix result to open its integration page. This page gives you a quick overview of what the connection does, like syncing contacts and enabling site tracking for your campaigns. On the Wix integration page, click Connect. Mailchimp will start the linking flow and may show a short confirmation screen. When prompted, click Continue. This lets Mailchimp pass you over to Wix securely so you can authorize the connection. If you manage multiple Mailchimp audiences or sites, keep track of which ones you intend to link, but you won't need to change any settings right now. You'll be taken to Wix to sign in. Use the Wix account that owns or manages the site you want to connect. If you're already signed in, Wix may skip straight to the permissions screen. Review the access request so Mailchimp can read the necessary site data and send information back, and proceed to authorize. You'll need the appropriate role on the Wix site, typically an owner or admin level permission, to complete this step. After you sign in and authorize, the connection completes automatically. You'll be returned to Mailchimp, where you should see Wix listed as connected in your integrations or connected sites area. That's your confirmation that everything is set up correctly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see Wix in your integrations list right away, refresh the page after a moment. If the authorization window didn't open, check your pop-up settings. And if you manage multiple Wix sites, be sure you selected the correct one during the sign-in step. That's it. You've connected Mailchimp with Wix, and you're ready to take advantage of unified contacts and smarter marketing directly from your site.